x variables and y variables quite easily, because and we don't have to face any difficulty while separating them. We will learn the concepts of advanced differential equations where there is a hard to separate them, but this is a very easy concept. It's one of the basic concepts where we actually simply separate x variables and y variables. So now let's start and check how we do it. Okay, can we bring dx there and this term down to there? So can I write dy y minus 1 square equals x dx? And remember, this, the one which I have right there, this is termed as the initial condition, or sometimes we call it the requirements to find out the value of c. Okay, in order to understand differential equations, your integration should have to be perfect, because differential equations is all about having a strong integration skills, because the question one we are doing is very easier one, but there are many difficult questions where we have trigonometric ratios, we have the logarithmic functions and the exponential functions where integration have to be tested. So your integration should have to be up to the mark in order to have a better understanding of differential equations. So can I integrate it by having an integral sign? Okay, so can I easily do it in denominator? No, I want. So I have to make a negative power. So now this turns out to be y minus 1 minus 2 plus 1, and then again minus 2 plus 1, and there we have, that is the x square by 2. And don't forget to mention c, and this is where we have to use the initial condition. So can I write it y minus 1 minus 1 power minus 1 x square by 2 plus c? So can I write this as well? 1 equals x square by 2 plus c. So now we have to find out the value of c. So how do we find out? We have to bring the initial condition, that is y 0 3. So you need to carefully look up how to interpret it. This is y is equal to 3 when x is equal to 0. Remember, this is an input value of x. So we just need to plug in there 3 minus 1, then we 0 squared by 2 plus c. So there we have minus 1 by 2, this is 0 plus c. So minus 1 by 2 equals c. So now we have the value of c. We just need to plug in a differential equation. So required solution is minus 1 x square by 2 and minus 1 by 2. But there we need to be very careful, because sometimes they want us to make y the subject, or they can write express y in terms of x. So what we need to do in that particular case is we need to adjust this. So minus 1 by y minus 1 equals 2. I'm making an LCM because denominators are same, so I'm merging them. So I hope everyone is getting the point what we are doing here. So if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe, like and share with the family and friends and your fellow students. So I need to make y the subject. So can I flip both sides? Can I write y minus 1 and 2 by x square? Yes, of course I can. If you flip one side, you can flip the other side as well. So firstly, bring this minus with there. It's minus 2 by x square minus 1. So now bring this minus on the opposite side. So y equals minus 2 by x square minus 1 plus 1. And this is what is required to us. You can further simplify it by an LCM, but there is no need to do it because we just need to make y the subject, the condition is fulfilled, and this is the solution. Thank you very much for listening up till the point. Hope so. We will join with another video. Goodbye.